Our choices, including those about diet, do not stem from reason or knowledge, but rather from learning and training received from an early age. This is like a bakery clerk unconsciously acquiring the smell of cake, or how we naturally learn to speak our mother tongue. Our surroundings, parents, society, and culture constantly influence our perceptions, forming deep-seated views, also known as habits. These ingrained views dictate our choices. Even with food that we know is harmful, we struggle to break free due to habit, and may even find it enjoyable, as this feeling is the result of years of conditioning. Many nutritionists and experts, despite having correct knowledge, may also find it difficult to shake off the habits instilled in childhood. Therefore, the focus of this film is not merely to discuss diet, but to use diet as an entry point to expose the harm of incorrect views and how they lead us to unconsciously make self-destructive and self-harming choices. Our goal is to consciously reverse the faulty learning and training of the past few decades, using the correct views provided by science, and thereby make choices that are truly beneficial for our mind and body. Starting now, we will guide everyone to learn this step by step. G-Day everyone! Welcome to this podcast episode brought to you by Vita Choice Limited. We're kicking off today with a dead-set serious issue: the rubbish food we're stuffing into our guts. We use food as the entry point to catch your attention for the problem you're truly devo about, the state of your head or mental health. The core logic, the head honcho rules. Here's a deep, simple truth, so have a squiz. Your mind is the head honcho. It runs the show, including your body, which is just its shack, its dwelling place. If the boss upstairs is unsettled, the shack will inevitably get crook. The real damage, how the inside works. When we constantly smash down that full-on bad grub, heaps of sugar, salt, and fat, we are literally tossing rubbish into that shack. Let's get stuck into the science. It's easy to grasp. 1. How it works inside. Imagine your blood vessels are the best rubber hoses from the hardware store, strong and flexible. But the sugar and fat act like a corrosive, something that literally eats away at those hoses. 2. The immediate effect. This corrosion makes your hoses rigid, stiff, and brittle, like old, cracked plastic. When your heart pumps, these stiff hoses can't stretch to ease the pressure. That's high blood pressure, mate. Every single cell in your body ends up swimming in this dodgy soup. 3. The long-term hazard. If the pressure gets too high for those damaged, brittle vessels, they burst. That, friends, is a stroke. It's fair dinkum that this problem is lurking for almost everyone. The ironic trap. Your brain's guessing game. Here's the kicker. When your body is having a stinker, your brain often guesses, based on old habits, that the same bad food will fix the problem. Old programs, all suffering, mind and body, comes from faulty programs you've learned and installed yourself. Think of them as computer viruses. Cravings exposed. That strong I want that feeling? That's just your brain running an old program, a guessing game based on the past, predicting that Chocky Bicky will feel good. You think you want it, but you're just obeying a bit of rubbish old instruction. The way out. Grabbing the steering wheel. The good oil is simple. If you installed the virus, you can remove it. You must become the boss of your own senses. The control. Most people reckon they've got control, but they can't stop their eyes from checking out junk food, or their feet from dragging them to the servo for a sweet fix. The trial. No need to go full-on straight away. Have a go at the 1-month challenge. Strictly limit high sugar, high salt, and high-fat foods for 30 days. You'll see a massive change in your energy and mood. The right approach. Don't be a gala who just whinges at their mates' dodgy diets. You must approach people with real care, not criticism, because that's the only way to win hearts and truly help. Every time you pause between that impulse and action, you are literally rewiring your brain for better health. Too easy. We'll see you next time.